Okay, what's up, guys? So, y'all wanted me to check this video out, uploaded by Grizzy. This would be my first time ever really reacting to one of these, to this like type of video in general, like this Scribble.io. Like I know what the game is. Like you draw something, and I think that people are supposed to guess, but yeah, I don't overall, like, I've never sat down and, like, watch YouTubers play this game. And I mean, I watch, like, a crap ton of Vanoss Gaming and things. And he's uploaded videos of himself playing this game, but I just don't watch it and stuff. I don't know. I just, it takes me a while to, like, get used to, like, a new thing that Vanoss brings to his channel and stuff. Like, I could, like, be watching, like, mainly Prop Hunt, freaking Grand Theft Auto, Hide and Seek, Guess Who, I didn't watch all those videos and stuff, but any of the other videos, I'd be like, I don't know. You guys have asked me to react to Vanoss, but I'm like, I don't know, like, I would, but it has to be like one of those like best moments, like Wildcat getting angry, because I have uploaded videos like that before, but I've seen pretty much all his videos and stuff, so it's like any videos that you guys want me to check out, like maybe besides the Scribble.io or anything else, but anyways, but yeah, make sure you guys go subscribe to Grizzy. So Grizzy, he posted some stuff on his Twitter account where, I don't know, he might be kind of like in a little bit of a funk right now, just with like YouTube and everything. I don't know, but just to pretty much like let Grizzy know, like, hey man, look, that's YouTube. I don't know how many times I've been in a funk with YouTube, and I'm like, I just, have lost motivation overall, like there's just, just feel like that there ain't like nothing for me to do. But then I start thinking about like the people that's brought me to this position in YouTube and things. Like there's like friends that like, that motivated me to be like better with YouTube, to, overall do more with YouTube and stuff. So, yeah, there's like, bro, there's like, look, you're gonna have those days. I still have those days, and I have like things that motivate me to keep me going and things. But it happens. That's it. Like it happens to even people like outside of YouTube with freaking music. Look at how many rappers then said they were gonna retire, and they come back out with like 2 mixtapes, an album, and like 15,000 music videos. Like people say that, but they, and they don't necessarily mean it. Things like they plan on leaving or quitting or that. If you need to take a break, you could do that. People, they do it in things. But like just know that you do have people that care about you outside of this YouTube stuff. Like, bro, I hope you are doing well for your life. I hope you're getting everything that you receive. Like without this YouTube stuff, like I hope that you would still do well in life. So if you do take a break, I hope you find what you're looking for. I hope you do good. Doing okay. I understand like everything that's going on in the world right now is kind of making it hard for people, to find the motivation for stuff. But my thing is like, there's always a way, like regardless of what's going on in the world, I'm always going to find a way. So, but anyways, yeah, show some love and support if you guys can to Grizzy and things. Let him know that y'all care about him and stuff. But then that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video.
God, Grizzy, you look terrifying.
I am going to win every game. What the fuck? You look like the retarded Clifford. Wait, Bonnie says too. Really... What the fuck?
Hey,
oh no.
Your character is literally me right now. That's me at 7 AM recording video games.
Alright, here we go. So...
Was that a cat?
Okay.
No, it's not.
Grizzy,
That man.
got it.
Wait, what?
Oh, dude.
Bro, let's go, Grizzy.
The nerd came out of me so fast.
Wait, so what is this? Is that a person dying?
I think so.
So
That shit
What is that?
No sense.
No, come on.
What is that? Batman?
Pokemon.
Don't worry about that one, alright?
Okay, we're off to a good start.
all right, cool. You got it.
Car.
Testicle. Testicle.
That's not really the right amount of letters.
Look like.
2 testicles.
How do you spell?
Bro,
bike.
deadass, my mind went so blank trying to type bicycle.
Guys, what the hell is this?
What's
It's
coming?
a motorcycle.
Oh,
No.
I thought I got
There
it
you
right.
go.
I was like, what do you mean?
Jay got it. Jay got it.
I still don't know what I'm looking at.
I am Mick Confusion.
dude.
I am actually so lost.
Are you gonna expand on this, or is this just it?
This is shit coming out of the
I know, it's like, what is that supposed to be, like the lights or something?
Motorbike.
You dumbass.
Who says motorbike?
Who says
I guess
motorbike?
that's not an American thing. I guess you told us.
I've heard
Oh,
people
fine.
use that term before. It's it's people they just have like a different way of saying things, But I've heard of that motorbike.
Know that. Apple.
Yep. It's
Cherry.
an apple.
Oh, it's apple.
Apple lemon.
Apple plus lemon.
I was about to type Lapple
All right,
lemon.
forget the.
No, wait, am I stupid?
Okay, this is
What is
difficult. I'm stupid. All right. Okay, so
Why'd you
do it.
cross
guys-
out the first one?
Wait.
Because
Just erase, Jay. This is
I'm so
where's the
confused.
erase?
Yeah,
Oh,
now you
okay.
really get the thumbs down.
this shit. What is that?
I don't know.
It's lemon, bro. That's
That's
a
a
lemon.
lemon.
Do you know what this is?
That's a red circle, Chief.
Okay, hold up. It's-
Oh, I know what that is.
I don't know.
It's
It's
Still?
a red lemon.
oh my fucking god.
What is
We are
that?
actually
Is
so
he talking about
bad
the
at
green
this.
thing?
All right.
Golden apple.
Golden apple.
What?
Apple.
Can we vote
I'm
kick
still
Jay?
sticking.
I think I
Wow.
want to.
You ready for this?
What you got, Picasso?
What'd you just call me? You're affecting my drawing. Look what you did.
Now it look like a potato.
Like a dirt ball.
No.
Like a spider web?
But
Fuck.
Yeah, that's what somebody do.
wait,
It's
hold on,
like
I got
spider
you, I got
web.
you. I'll make it easier. Boom, boom, easy. There you
There
go.
we go.
What? What was it?
Why'd I draw the apple first?
I don't know. I was just
The inside of the pie is not red.
Apple pie?
Drew fucking pizza first.
Oh, that looks like a...
What do you mean?
So much easier.
I was thinking about it. I was brown. I was like, wait, apple red. So I went with
Bro, it's
red.
an apple pizza.
Oh my god.
That is.
What do you mean?
You don't know what you're drawing?
It's very hard to draw. It's just can't really say.
Oh, you
How
don't think
would you-
golden apple's hard to draw?
No.
Fuck.
We got some doors.
Okay, I was about to say like something like
I love how
that.
the dumbasses in the chat actually thought it was door.
This is very in depth.
what-
The
what-
relays.
what is it?
Jay, yes. I'm so glad I'm not an idiot.
No, you're an idiot. That was bad.
Yeah, fair enough. What is it? You already know it's a door, but
I'm
what?
dumb.
This door is.
Oh my
Door's
god.
a door.
Oh.
It's a door.
Thank God. See,
Okay. All right.
Wow, that was
It's kind of
terrible.
hard
it
to
really
draw
fucking
that,
was.
Think a little abstract for the.
So you have to, so you can't even like come up with your own. The game chooses it for you. Wow, that's crazy.
Okay.
All right, times 2. That's it.
What?
So like if I took
Division?
this
What?
and I went like this, what am I doing to
Ah.
this?
Oh, you added more numbers. Now it's mathematics.
Oh,
What is this?
dumb. This is stupid.
What?
Nah, you should never play this fucking game.
What?
I'm trying to make you work for it. You got this.
Oh. No,
There
am
we
I
go.
diving? What am I doing? Holy crap, I think I heard a stroke. Oh, double.
Division.
I would have drop
double.
kicked you
What?
so bad. I'm thinking
How
you
is
do like
that?
a whole
I-
ass art piece. You said find what is X.
So I see a bottle
That's
of water.
4.
Bottle
Baby
of
water,
water.
that's what
I was
it
gonna
is.
say water bottle too, but then I looked at like the
Why
letters.
did I say it like that?
Oh.
What
That
do you
was
mean?
quick. That was quick.
Let's
Got
go,
it.
Jay.
What is
I'm
it?
impressed.
Oh, so
I
you can
actually
see
feel
where
retarded.
like the
All right, Jordan, how about
word
this?
or
It was a
words
meme.
are.
That's the only reason I knew what it was.
Oh, I
They
got
have
it.
bad drawings. They look like
Bro,
goofy dicks,
can I
bro.
type?
Wait, it's-
Exactly.
Bottle. Wow.
I'm about to blur your drawing out.
Wow.
Y'all guys are my world.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
You gonna start drawing or what?
I just gave y'all the biggest hint known to man.
Fuck all your head,
Tree?
bitch. I heard that
No,
line.
trees?
Someone
No.
type, and I was like, I gotta race.
Jesus. Somebody's like Jesus.
How did you get Jesus from this?
Plus
This is my
Jesus.
world.
I love how Jay
A plant?
subtitled himself
You're
in
my
the chat
boo?
there. What is it?
No, whatever. I give up.
Glow.
There you go.
Glow.
I can go the easy
Bro, that
route,
look
or
like
I can
a
go the
plant.
perverted
Like a
route.
Go the
round
perverted route.
plant.
Perverted.
What are those like plants where it's like you can like cut it up and like make it into things? That's what that
I'm
looks
on
like.
it.
Whatever brings the content, Chris.
Okay. There's some biddies. Got a really long leg, chief. We got long
Okay.
legs.
Scissors?
What it
Oh
is,
my,
'cause I
that
had
is
no idea.
not scissors.
What?
It looked like a lamp or a
I
light
got
bulb.
That is
Or what's that thing where you like go and add your like water hose to it and things and water your grass? It looked like that like metal thing that's attached to your house. That's what it looked like.
This shit
That
turns me
looked like a
on.
woman. Freaking,
What kind of hand?
I know it looked like a mermaid. I was about to say
boobs. What is that, man?
that is scary. Like
Just
her
wait.
boobs got a
Wait
mouth.
for what?
Hold on.
Oh god, here he
Pedicures?
goes. He's wheezing before he's finished the drawing. We're never gonna know.
What is happening?
You
Oh my God.
What is that?
Oh my God.
I
How do I spell it?
got it.
Oh!
Fuck.
I got it.
Yes, man. Oh my god.
He really went
I
the other
swear.
route, bro.
I
Holy
This
swear.
dude went into the detail of drawing the fucking paws and shit. Like, what is this?
Man, I did not know where he was headed with that. Wow. That is funny. That is funny.
I need a
I
second.
don't know how to spell scissors, bro.
literally crying. I'm literally fucking crying.
I've got a mouth.
Bro,
Oh, I didn't get to pick. I was laughing too hard.
I like how Wise's problem was the spelling part.
How do I draw it? Okay.
And the fact that her titties had lips.
I know. I was like,
thinking too.
freaking Boo's got a mouth like
We're
it's
all out
talking
on
to
this one,
people.
boys.
What?
Water?
He says
Ocean. No.
dumping it with colors.
got it.
Wait, what?
This is exactly how I used to draw it back in the second grade.
Easy.
Suns? No. Ocean?
Wait, what?
That is exactly.
Sonic?
Beach?
That's exactly how I used to draw it.
Wait, what? Did I have no childhood?
Did I have no childhood? Like he's supposed to know what it
Is
is.
it beach?
Well, Grizzly said I used to draw all the time as a kid, and I was like, what? And then it was done.
Oh!
Beach. Oh, okay.
Beach? Are you for real?
Oh, dude!
Oh shit!
You were
beach,
so-
same thing. So this guy's like, oof, right? He's freaking.
Is that a titty?
Oh, damn,
Yo,
he's fucking
right?
thick.
That's a pretty long arm, but don't mind
Look
that,
at her
right?
cheeks.
He's buff, right?
Okay.
But the main part that gets the ladies, right, is this.
Easy.
Huh?
Big jeans.
Where is it?
Fuck!
Thanks, Jay.
Exactly.
Give it away.
I got this shit, dude. Y'all ever see the movie It?
Of course.
God bless.
All
Already
right,
thumbs
lit.
up.
Okay, yo.
Okay, what up?
Raincoat.
We're gonna draw the red.
I mean, that's
Hold on.
kind of good
Easy.
from what they're
Someone
drawing.
some titties. Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
okay,
the
never
character was
mind.
pretty chubby, so yeah, he needs some tits.
Extendo that. Yeah.
Is that a skirt?
Bro, like, what?
Oh! I got it. Easy.
And now it's like.
That's gonna give it away right
Oh,
there.
fuck.
That's actually a good drawing.
What is
What do you wear when it's like that outside?
Drop top?
Good job.
I just typed it as it popped up.
Yeah, that's a pretty good drawing if I say so myself.
That was.
Oh,
We went
yeah.
in too deep with it though.
What the heck is that?
Rocket.
Oh!
Wait, you
There
switched
you
it
go.
up so many times. I was like, wait, no, shark.
Oh.
Wait, no, shovel. Wait, no,
What?
Squidward.
It looked like a fire
R-O-C.
rocket to begin
No.
with.
A
Yeah,
fire
it's not
rocket.
A fire rocket. Yeah.
fire-
It does look a bit like a fire rocket.
I don't think that's their color.
Wait.
Got it. Squid.
Oh my god, he
wow.
actually got it.
All right, boys.
That's a
You don't
scary
get this, you're
squid.
literally
It's all
adopted.
black.
All right,
What
here
is
it goes.
this?
Mountain? No.
Huh.
Okay.
Oh! How
yeah.
are you literally adopted from this word? What?
You ain't
It's
ever been on a
easy.
bridge? Oh, whoops.
Oh,
That's a bridge?
Thanks, bro.
Wow. I thought he was like. I thought it was like a like desert or something.
Here's Jay, Vise, Grizzy,
Aw.
Dew. I don't know why Dew's so small. I don't know why they got progressively smaller. And stuff's going down, right? And then we all need to go under a.
Bed?
This is.
Oh, I know what this is.
We
Got
need to
it.
go down.
Fuck, never
Are we
mind.
in the house?
Wait,
and
Bro,
set?
dude, honestly, you gave a pretty good hint there. This Earth is crazy.
Wow.
The earthquake, brother.
What?
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck you guys got that. I'm scared, dude.
Bro, I'm from the UK. I don't have to worry about earthquakes. I don't.
I got this. I'll never expect it. I got this big head here. Right.
I
you
thought Dew got that.
Wow. Guessed it before he could
We're
even
doing
drop.
this again. What is
What's
this?
the memory?
Oh, I know what this is.
Oh. This better not be another freaking motorcycle.
Oh shit, this is
I'm
not
about to
going
it
well.
looked like a
What did
modified
call
Xbox
vehicles
controller
like
for a
motor
second.
cars? Me, Grizzy got
I'm thinking of anything foreign. Anything can make sense at this point.
Worst drawing.
Whoa! Wait, how do you spell that?
I don't know. It took me a while.
Autocorrect saves the day.
How do you spell that?
No,
Oh,
wait,
got
don't
it.
worry about it. Hold on.
Samara?
Oh.
Droid.
Droid.
Oh my god.
He's having a good time, right? This man, he's having a good day.
Oh, is it? Why does he look like that?
I don't know.
What's this and that? I think I've done my work.
Fuck!
Hey Siri,
Dude,
Marisha.
1 second off. Look at what I typed, right? And then go
Oh my
from
god,
there.
come on. There's an extra letter.
Nope.
He still spelled it the wrong way. Mirage.
Oh my god.
Is that how?
I ain't fucking Mexican, bro. I don't know how to spell it.
Calm down, bro. Maracas, you. My
I
own
wouldn't
family would be
guess
so
that.
disappointed in me. Oh my god.
What the fuck is this?
That's a big nose.
Aw.
That's a huge nostril.
We got some.
I can't unsee that. Like, I won't be able to see what
That's
this
a
is.
nosegay.
I can't unsee it.
No, that's
Got
a
it.
good
Disgusting.
drawing
Got
right
it.
there.
Yeah, that's a big nose.
It
I love how you
That's a
got
big
it from the
nose.
start, though.
I know a big nose when I see one.
Nose hole, dude.
Okay, all right.
Nose hair.
I
Wow.
don't remember how to actually draw this. Hold on, this is probably like a childhood game, but like.
Oh, how do you spell that? How do you spell that?
Oh.
Yeah.
There we go.
Uh-huh.
That's actually like a good drawing
Yo,
to
Taz,
like.
why am I-
What is it? What
Skipped
is
a couple
it?
numbers, but we're gonna move on. This is you down here because I don't got no more
Why them
room.
spaces so big?
I got it.
I don't got no more room,
you are-
so.
You that small trying to play
it.
hopscotch.
Yeah.
You
I
jump
forgot what it was called, and then I remembered.
Jump hop. Hey, y'all kids want to go play some jump hop?
Fuck off me, dude.
jump sketch.
That's my favorite playground game, yeah.
If you had a childhood, you're gonna get this pretty quick.
Uh-huh.
Right. Okay.
Got it,
Gary?
bro, easy.
I love how my first thought
Snail.
was to
Well,
type Gary.
I know. I was freaking snail.
Same, dude. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, fuck.
Got it.
What?
Boom, right? Boom.
Easy.
Boom. That's a big football.
I thought it
Forget
was
like
a
a-
bread.
I know.
He's fucking chucking a bagel.
Look like a
dude.
$5
Like
football.
that shit a foot long, bro.
I know.
He's throwing a baguette.
What? What? Oh.
Legos.
Easy.
I thought I
Got
got
it.
it.
Oh!
Bro. Yeah. there
What
you
is
go.
that supposed to be?
Oh!
That's a good drawing. That's actually really
That
good.
is a really
Wait a
good
minute,
drawing.
what?
That's very good. Well, here's the problem, though.
Is
I'm
it
pretty
socks?
sure
Like,
Grizzly
what do
did
you
it.
mean?
Grizzly
I
did
know,
this.
like, I don't
I think
know.
you've done this.
Grizzy don't drive.
Yeah, I
dude.
think that's the problem.
Oh,
Grizzly, you
I got it.
There you go.
I don't know why I was about to say like clutch and all these other but okay.
Why does it look like a 4?
We've all had this before.
Juice peg.
Oh, close.
Raisin box.
The realization
Pizza
about to hit
box?
y'all.
Oh, Happy Meal.
Oh, the typos are real.
Oh my god.
I would have been first. I struggled so hard.
What the heck is that?
What is that, brother?
Candy.
Oh, I got it. God bless.
Oh,
What's
easy.
Like
Got
a
it.
cracked
What's
out
it
wheel.
called? I know what the candy is. It's like one of those little fucking like peppermint things that your grandma always has.
Bro,
Man.
Just said it,
you
Jay.
just said the word,
fucking-
Jay. You just said the word.
Man.
Like one
I know
of
what
the
this game
things
looks
grandmas
fun.
almost have.
All right, hold on. This is something we rarely do.
Oh my god.
Toxic.
Leave.
Got it. I mean, you're not wrong.
Wow.
Where is this guy going?
Oh, okay. No, it's better.
There
Outside.
you go.
Wow.
There I was overthinking it again.
Bless up. Yo, dude, you're catching up. I don't like this.
Bro, that's easy.
Really?
I thought I'd catch you guys off guard while you were still talking.
Dude, I was like, wait a fuck.
That's the
Did I drop
fastest
my
round we
vape so
had.
fast?
What is going on? Is this sex?
What is that?
What?
Why are her
Oh, wait,
feet and boobs the same size?
Wait, what is that? Is that dick? Okay, they're hands.
What is
He's
this?
That
grabbing,
is so
he's
weird
grabbing her
looking.
Kalanka honker dunkers. Oh, that sounded bad.
Hungers.
That sounded bad.
Whoa.
This is Michael Jordan. This is Michael Jordan. He's putting a basketball. He's doing a. All right.
Got it.
Does that help?
What?
Wait, what?
Oh my
What
fucking
is?
God.
Yeah.
Michael
People
Jordan
be having
really
the
sold
weirdest
it.
of sex. He's just stood up grabbing onto them.
Facts.
Bro,
It's like
that's
his
not even-
arms are part of the body. What do you
Slam.
mean?
That
His
is-
hands.
Adopt? Why does everybody go with the adopted, bro?
Six pack.
What the
What,
heck is
Slender
this?
Man?
Bro, I don't know. It
Why
looks
does it
like, it looks like the white Steve Urkel.
What?
Why is his crotch up by his armpit?
He's got big pants on, bro. He's got big pants on.
Is his pants going over his tits?
Bruh, that is scary.
Oh my god.
This is so bad.
What is this?
Freaking a 70s Slender Man.
His body. What is his body?
Like Slender Man before he was Slender
I'm
Man.
actually...
What is it?
Oh my
Skinny?
God,
That's
dude.
not.
Looks like
That's
fucking
crap.
Ronald Weasley, mate.
That's pure crack.
Dude, you're about to get
Like
education
you are.
in this
Yeah,
bitch.
that's not. You're a crackhead.
Did you just Google something? I just heard your phone type.
Yeah?
I heard that shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you got some good hearing, brother. This place is well known for their pizza. Yeah.
No, they're
Hut?
well known for
No,
taking
they're not.
over. a lot
No,
of
they're
people.
not.
No.
What are you talking about?
What?
When were they known for their pizza?
Oh, what?
I'm stupid.
Y'all ever had that Spanish pizza?
At the start of each round, he's
Oh,
like,
God.
wait to get educated. Drugs fans
this
are
guy.
known for their pizza.
Oh my god.
My little earlobes, right. Gonna give him a little nose.
Uh-huh.
Gonna, ooh,
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
Well, that's pretty good. What the hell?
That's a good.
Elvis,
Yeah, that's
is
a
that
good
you?
face. Hairline a little messed up. Like, what is that?
Okay.
His arm broke? What is that?
All right,
It was
listen,
going
listen.
I know who it is, but...
What is he? Okay, now.
Oh! No!
Got it.
Okay. The tighties.
Yep. Yeah, you got
Why
that.
does he
too.
look like
So
that?
what is this guy?
That's
No,
a
I don't
hero.
know who that is.
Fuck, gotta get to finish my drawing.
Oh, fuck's
Yo,
sake.
it's great guy.
I got a well-earned 5th place. I ain't playing a game where I have to think at 7 a.m. over a game. That's for sure.
Hey, this video went by quick. It's like they're regular 10-minute videos. Dang, I didn't realize it went by that quick. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, that game looks fun though. I might have to play that one of these days. Yeah, that was funny to like try to guess and things what it was. Yeah, that was pretty funny. That game, it looked challenging, but anyways, yeah, another good video from these guys. Make sure you go subscribe to each and every one of those guys and their each individual channels, and also, yeah, but first things first, make sure you guys go subscribe to Grizzly for more videos like this, and then subscribe to those guys, and then like and subscribe to me too. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.